guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode with Boss Beauty, or should I say our channel, because it will be on our pages.
Okay.
But yes, we're doing a mukbang today. You know, fish, plantain, rice. The rest is mine.
Well, and I'm gonna take at least 2 spoons. You know I'm gonna do that, so don't push it.
We've just started the video. Don't start arguing.
Yes, ma'am.
So yeah, the rice is mine. Yeah, the water is hers, and the malt is mine.
No.
Okay.
We're sharing.
So we are sharing fish. Everything else, we can share plantain. The rice, no. So the rice is with ayamashi stew that I made. Yeah. What do you mean? Did I not give you some of it? We have not started.
I like it. You know I like food.
Okay, so yes, we're just gonna dig in. We're just gonna be chatting away, doing whatever. I've actually got some questions on my phone.
Question with food.
Yes.
Hey.
Well,
Okay.
You cannot just eat my food and go away. It has to be fun. Yeah, that's why you.
Is that why you? Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's why you have water.
Okay.
So yes, I got some questions from Pinterest. Yeah, that's where I've been getting my questions lately. So
Oh, okay. You
I
didn't tell me.
I did not say she's going.
I'm definitely going there.
So let me see. So we have most likely 2 questions. I know some of the questions are a bit weird, but
can we start now, please?
Yes, before it gets cold. So the question is the most likely to Bismillah.
Come on, join us.
Come and eat. I mean, I've not even eaten. My stomach is big already.
No, I had rice.
So I want you guys to see
I cannot come and die.
how the stomach comes out. Which is why when you're going to parties, guys, wear a free dress.
I know.
So that by the time you're too fast. That
I'm
fish,
only eating my side.
yeah, hair. I was going to say that fish I'm eating is yours. This one is mine.
No, look at that fish.
Yeah.
What's not to
That's
enjoy?
yeah. Is that sea bass or tilapia?
No, that's not tilapia. It's not tilapia.
It's not tilapia. Oh, is it croaker? It looks like croaker.
It looks like croaker, but to fara jaw, sea bass, everything shopping. Wow, I think this is mine. Mine has got more pepper.
Excuse you.
You're not gonna eat the pepper.
You can
anyway.
eat the pepper. I don't mind.
There we go. Yeah, question time.
So,
Make sure the question is within me eating my fish.
within you eating your fish,
While I'm eating my fish, within me, English is not my first language. Yeah.
So the first question says, who's most likely to get arrested?
Twice of us.
What do you mean?
Because sometimes we do silly things together.
You and who?
Twice of us.
You know I'm a gentle girl. Well, it depends on the reason
You
for
know what? You
arrest.
could have been arrested so long time ago.
Yeah,
Especially when you used to go to Lagos from Ikorodu. Whenever grandma doesn't want you to go, and you still go anyway. You still insist on going, so you could have been arrested.
Why?
For
Because
doing
I was
something behind your grandma. But I think you will.
You know? Are you trying
Because
to say
you don't
I'm
listen to
gangster?
me. You're a gangster.
Because I don't listen to you. If I don't listen to you, Uncle, who you be?
Your big sister. Thank you very much.
I don't know the answer.
No answer. We're both good girls.
We are good girls,
So we
so
want to be good.
I don't think any of us will be arrested. But if there's any, yeah, I'm not going to lie. It'll probably be me.
You're a criminal.
No, I don't know about that. The next one says,
Okay.
who is most likely to act on a crush?
Act. Like, what sort of act?
Act is act.
Like wink on a crush?
Act.
Me none. Yeah, because I love love.
You love them? God, I hate love.
If I'm crushing on somebody, I might as well shoot my shoot.
I like you shoot your gun.
No, it's shooting my shoot now. Shooting my shoot is acting, isn't it?
Well, I don't even think I have a crush anymore.
Even your crush, you got a crush. A crush,
I
a
don't.
crush.
Even all this celebrity crush that people do. I'm not a celeb. I like my celebrities,
No,
but I'm
you
not
have got a crush on Nice.
No, I like his song. I have a crush on his song. Not
Oh, yeah,
nice.
the song.
Not nice as a
Nice,
person.
nice.
Yeah, not nice.
Excuse me. What's happening to that mouth?
If I have yours,
You are rude though.
I'm drinking beer.
Shinap. Ọtí àwọn àgbà. You're crazy.
Whereas,
Hey,
You're
relax.
moving close to my
It's
fish.
more ties. What do you mean I'm moving close to your fish? I'm still eating mine.
I thought I was born. He's born.
Mm.
I knew he was born.
Okay.
So,
Mm.
yeah. There's a lot of bone inside that fish, and I cannot afford to swallow any.
Nah, I don't do bones. I'm even scared of those
So
bones.
she's most likely to act on a crush. So the next one is, who is most likely to join the army?
Ah, definitely not me. Hell no. Minus me. Divided by me. Take away me. I cannot die.
In as much as I like to explore new things, different things,
Maybe vitamin.
maybe it's vitamin. I don't think I have this
How long
strength
will
for
you
that.
get? Even if they're giving out money, I ain't going, man. No way. Why? I can make the money outside army. Why do I have to join army just to survive?
Okay.
Allow that. Nah.
So, who is most likely to win the lottery?
Me, I don't like gambling, no. I don't take risks, so no, minus me. This one, plus Teju times Teju, raised to power, Teju. I don't gamble.
Cube of Teju.
Nah, allow me. Please, in Jesus' name, just take me out.
Even though it sounds like I might be, I've actually not. Have I played the lotto
I
before?
think I've played it while uni, bro.
I think in my life, I think I've only played lotto once.
Oh yeah, I played it once on my birthday. I think my 23rd birthday, I was just really lucky thinking I could win something on my birthday.
Yeah, I
Silly.
think I've only done it once. And that once, I think I went to the post office and I had a £1 coin. I didn't know what to do. I was just
What to
like,
do with it?
I'm not a lotto. Let me just give
Let
it
me
back.
just try my luck today.
And I don't even know if I followed up.
Followed up. See, you could have been a millionaire now. You don't
Exactly.
know. Huh.
I don't even know. Maybe I threw the paper away because it's not me. But if you said, who's most likely to do tete?
Rapid is that. That's your marathon.
No. Who's most likely to take risk? Then I would say me.
You definitely. Me,
Yeah.
no.
Even right now, I'm still taking risk.
Yeah.
Eating this fish gun is a risk.
If I have 10 pounds, let me just have my 10 pounds. Thank you. I don't want extra.
But if anyone's going to win lottery, then it will probably be me because I probably someone will just call me and say, I just won, and I'm like, let me go and play as well. But I don't really play lotto like
Even
that.
if they say you will win, there's a 90% chance of winning. I ain't going.
She will say no.
No, I don't do. Imagine, no, but seriously, imagine I play my 10 pounds on it and I lose 10 pounds. And I don't gain anything.
Well, that's a risk.
No, that's why I don't do risk. That you, this batch of your fish is big.
Go ahead. Behave
There's
yourself.
love in share. I'm your big sister now. Girl, I've almost finished mine.
I didn't know. Why is your mouth too fast?
Because I'm big.
It's
It's fish now. I'm talking about fish. That's why I've got tissue. I actually bought tissue.
Okay.
I refuse to use napkin. In case she asks me to wash the napkin because I've got makeup.
You have to wash it.
So, this I can throw in the
Yes, you
bin.
did that. Who is most likely to be a couch potato?
What big grammar is? I beg, move to the next one. That one is too
Couch
big for me.
potato. Be into my joke. So here,
Are you sure? Hey, that's your translator. Don't disgrace me. I don't know the meaning.
Let me go and check on Google. Don't move close to my fish
You buy it.
because I'm looking away.
Me, I'm sleep eating though. Things can happen. Don't give yourself a
Hey guys, you
attention.
go pan.
Are you looking?
Yes, sir. I can see her.
It's too late. I already took some.
Couch potato. It actually came out first one. I got it.
Just one.
A person who takes little or no exercise and watches a lot of television.
Potato, you're not. You, Neo.
Why? I don't know.
Me even working from home is killing me.
If I do exercise, who is always saying, "Shall I share?
No,
I don't exercise."
Yeah, so they said I'm not do exercise. Anyway. Me, don't
I
even
still
know.
do exercise,
I still don't understand the meaning of what you just read. So
but I think you'll probably be me. I like to stay in my house
me and today, buddy.
because I feel
Imagine I'm here in my present.
like that couch potato. Literally, in simple English, is someone that likes to stay at home.
I know, just use simple grammar for someone like me. I'm not using textbook grammar.
Next question. Who's most likely to be late to
We should
an
not be
event?
using this one will disgrace somebody. All this bone. God.
My fish.
How can I concentrate?
Next question.
Okay.
Who is most likely to be late to an event?
Actually, I think both of us. But you, mostly, because that's when you say, no, we're not going to do for your car. Oh, my customer. But if I was late, hey, heaven shall fall that day. She'll be on my case.
The reason for my lateness is different from lateness.
What's my reason?
Yeah. I think you.
Grandma is trying to win her video. Grandma, you want to
But
join?
more than
Yeah, come on, do yeah.
But me by the Jamie.
Yeah, come on, enter.
Come on, come. Come on, more everything.
Go matter. I'm going to put on the table.
I want to fish.
What's that?
Never get the lorry.
And she had to hold the wall and make the
More when I get to the lorry. Chamula again. Oh,
Kò fẹ́ fún yín tẹ́lẹ̀. Kò dékun.
it's not that bad.
Èmi mọ̀ sọ ní sìkẹ́. Kò dékun. Ṣé o kò mọ̀ kọ́ta àwọn kánádà mu? Ohun tí yóò wà láì. Ìjọba rẹ̀ yìn.
So, who's most likely to be late to an event? Definitely me. And it's not my fault.
So whose fault is it?
It's either I've got clients before the event. If I don't have a client before the event, then yeah, I'm always on time.
But why is your reason so valid and mine is never
not
valid?
Because
Explain.
your own excuse is different from mine.
Even if I give you a reasonable reason, you still question me and you start giving me attitude. This is confession time. You see, I'm giving me.
And
bad
reason for
look.
lateness is either she will say, "Oh, but I have my ball." I answer why you be.
Okay, we are eating. But if I need to look after, what do you want me to do?
But those are excuses.
But I've never actually given that reason.
Yes, you have.
Ah.
It was with Malik.
In
In
fact,
fact,
I was going to say that.
Then you used to give a lot.
But Malik could literally make you, when you finish,
Mama,
you
frustration.
dressed up, it would literally make you just change your mind. You know what? I'm not going out again. Second or two. This fish is killing me. Excuse me, that's mine. What are you doing?
Next
See?
question. Who's most likely to be to lose their phone?
You? Because our phone is always on silent. Number one. So even if you lost the phone,
I cannot find it
how can you find it?
because you can't call it.
Unlike
It's on
someone
silent.
yeah. And I don't even think you don't use your picture on your phone.
No,
For the wallpaper.
I don't.
See, what? That saved me one time. We went to that big wedding, and I left my phone downstairs. And guess what? Someone found it, but because they pressed the screen and they saw my picture in it, they started looking for me at the hole.
Oh, yeah.
So that's another tree. So
Yeah, definitely me.
you can see why you should put your picture on the
yeah,
phone,
yeah.
not your ex's picture. Just because
As your wallpaper.
As your wallpaper. No. Or even your boyfriend, because not everyone knows your boyfriend or husband.
Who's most likely to confront a burglar?
Me and you. That means everything.
Gangster like that.
And now what are you looking for? If you're coming, why don't you just, come in food? Or what are you doing in the house? Yeah.
Me, I'm a JJ girl.
Willingly, I went up to that one.
I will just walk away.
It was like me confronting one security guy.
She will confront Olopagan.
Of course, when you wife, close here. I beg you.
Who's most likely to always carry a pen?
If it was the spoon, then yeah.
It was a spoon, fork, cutlery.
Cutlery, we have them in my bag. That's why I don't enjoy working from home. If I was going to work, I have spoon in my bag. Remember the other day when mom bought mashed potato, no, not mashed potato, jacket potato. She needed a spoon.
And there was no spoon.
See, that's one of the disadvantages of working from home.
Yeah, but you're more likely to write than eat when you're away.
I beg. Pen.
So-
I don't normally have a pen in my bag, but
Yeah, I actually don't carry pen.
I do.
Even going to school,
I'm a good student. This
then
one.
I used
Yeah,
to
I think
ask.
I would have a pen too. Yeah.
Sophia, pass me that tissue. Oh, Mama.
Yeah, come on. Man, just edit in the pen on.
Mm.
Now, so if I make it, you man leave one that because I cannot be bothered.
Next question. Who's most likely to start a fire?
Fire. Excuse me, what do you mean? What sort of fire is that?
She's always cooking.
So does that mean I'm going to start a fire?
Democracy.
Democracy. Democracy. Very bush girl. That doesn't mean I'm going to start a fire. You're the one that can start a fire. You put something in the kitchen, and then you come here and start talking to your guests or your customers or potential customers. So
I always have one customer on the other.
So definitely you know me. Just because I cook doesn't mean.
I know it's definitely me.
So why are you trying to blame it on me?
Who is most likely to go surfing? Definitely not me.
If it has to do with water, yeah. But if it's height, no.
Surfing is water.
Surfing is water, dude. I mean, mommy, she can't read, but I might try. Oh yeah, surfing, the one that they stay on that.
The fact that it's water.
I will.
She will.
I will.
I cannot.
I'm not your mommy, by the way.
This one. Who's most likely to cheat on a test?
I've already cheated with the fish now. I've already cheated with the fish, so that one is a straightforward answer. No, but it's not cheating. If you don't know something or if you like something, then.
Not cheating.
Now that your fish was getting into my eyes, I had to cheat.
And now grandma took some of it, so.
Yeah. And you're cheating because you have to buy too.
No, that's not cheating. Now we have to share it. Because yours is more than mine. Who's most likely to cheat on a partner? You're difficult, go.
You're loud, go. About the partner until you cooperate. It won't be cheating. It will be willingness to cheat.
Willingness to cheat, remember?
Ability to cheat. No, freedom to cheat.
Freedom to cheat.
If you don't cooperate, I walk away. I beg.
That's not cheating.
I ain't cheating.
Who's most likely to take a great picture? Definitely. That one is a straight answer. She cannot even deny it. He will take 100 pictures. Only maybe one will succeed.
At least there's one.
Will qualify.
No, there's one.
Who's most likely to talk in their sleep?
Excuse me.
As the MC.
Because I talk too much. I'm an MC person.
You'll be MCing in her sleep.
I think this fish is making me MCing it already.
I think I'm most like, I don't know, but I think.
You talk too much, actually. I only talk when I need to. You talk with them when you don't need to, you see? Energy.
Recently, I was supposed to give a presentation about...
Thief talker.
No. I was supposed to give a presentation about insurance to some group of people.
Oh yeah, by the way, she's an insurance advisor.
We know. I've said it before.
Okay, me, I'm just telling them now. Call it Bolenwe.
You're late.
So in case you need advice on insurance, talk to my very brilliant Olateju Bello.
Yeah. So I was supposed to give a presentation and I wasn't sure, where to start, what to talk about. I know what to talk about, but where to start, how to actually make these people resonate with what I'm saying so it doesn't look, because with me, what I do is I tend to advise first. Pardon me. I tend to advise first, and then you tell me, okay, this is the kind of insurance that I need. So literally my advice is based on your circumstances, your present situation.
Well, that's the way it should be anyway. Yeah. But I know some people are just crazy.
Sometimes you go to the bank or online, go compare. Obviously, they will give you cheap insurance and you feel like, oh yes, that is very cheap, that is good. Because it's cheap or because it's expensive doesn't actually mean it is necessary or it will be useful. So you need to do what actually goes with the circumstances that you're in at the time that you're doing that insurance. So I didn't know where to start the presentation. And because I had attended another presentation, I think prior to that one, a week before, something like that. At that presentation, all they did was they were just sharing their story.
And then you were sharing your what?
That one is boom. So they were sharing their story, and I think it was towards the end that they actually mentioned the reason why we were at that presentation. And I noticed that people were actually getting along with the story. You know, when people were just saying, oh, with my children,
Yeah.
I take them to school, and then when I go to work, and then by the time I get home, I'm tired. But then husband was, husband duty. You know, that's kind of, and then people were literally in the chat. They were like literally responding, communicating, and I was like, and I think I was the only one that felt like, okay, talk about the money that we're here for. Like,
Next.
like next.
When are we actually getting to the
When are we getting to the main story? But from that presentation, I realized that, wow, it looks like people will buy into story, or they will understand story.
That's mine.
More than, because you finished mine.
I did not touch yours.
Yes, you did. So anyway, throughout that night, I think, I don't even know if I slept.
You are thinking about...
I woke up in the morning and grandma was like, oh, how was your night? And I'm like, I don't even know if I slept, because I was just selling insurance myself.
Oh my God.
So at some point I felt like, was I even talking? I should have done a recording just to see, because literally that 7 hours or 8 hours sleep I had, I felt like I was just talking about.
You see?
I was literally presenting in my
Confession
sleep.
time.
Seriously, I'm not gonna. I owned up to it. You didn't have to.
No, but you said me. I'm actually not bad.
It was actually funny that night, because. But then after that, when I now did my presentation, when I now did my presentation, I actually shared my story.
Yeah.
And then from that story, we talked about insurance. How I had my car insurance, and then when I had that accident, remember?
Yeah.
And then the insurance company were telling me, oh, because your excess is 1,250, and the
Why
car
would you even sign up for an excess?
at the time I didn't know what excess was.
What sort of insurance company will even?
Yeah, but you will be surprised that people still do that now.
Because it makes your premiums.
Exactly.
But you took mine.
No, I didn't.
Ha.
No, I didn't. The little that I took, you
Okay, party is finished.
literally you finished the whole fish yourself.
Party is finished. I did not.
You didn't, in him.
You know I don't like the head.
I'll give you the pepper. Hold on.
Where you going? Where you going?
Hold on,
Where do you
sorry,
think you're going?
I don't trust her.
Tell you.
You can hit the.
Party is over. Oh. But there's love with sharing.
No. You did not share.
This girl. Funke.
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Ayé mi tèmi bá mi ẹja ti tán o. Teju is not sharing fish.
Drink water on top of it.
Nga gone. This is not fair. Fish, where are you?
So as I was saying, Gary,
Where are you,
fish? So I signed up for that excess, which obviously I didn't know, but it was to make my premium go down. Even at the time, my premium was like 128 every month, and then the accident happened, and then my car was worth 1.5.
You fell for this.
I did.
How can you be paying one?
Even that 1.5 that I wrote for the car was actually 2,005. But obviously they will tell you reduce the car price so that your insurance can go down. This, that. So I reduced them, and it was supposed to be the car was supposed to be 1.5. Drink water.
Can you pay that fish?
Drink water.
You can't eat anyone.
Can you pay me on the japa? So you eat it. Pardon me. So at the time anyway, the accident happened, the car was written off by the insurance company, only for them to now tell me they would have to take 1,250 from the 1,005 that the car was worth. And then the remaining 250.
My sister has been entered.
It was in fact,
they got you, man.
So I could not make a claim for that car at the time. So I had to fix the car myself for £1,000. Drove it for another 1 year, and then
did I try?
Yeah, you did. And then I sold it.
I think I tried.
Eventually, by the time I sold it, I actually sold it for that 1.5 that I bought it in the first place.
It's nice. Seriously, you took from mine. Let's rewind this.
Quite from Grandma.
There was a time that you will just.
If no, the Grandma actually took mine. And I've not even. I'm sure. In fact, if we rewind this thing,
I will rewind.
You will see that I didn't eat much fish because I've been concentrating on my rice, because I was actually hungry before this video.
Was good.
So rice ain't going to be more interested in.
That was very good. So give me the fish then. You just said you were interested in.
Drink more water. So I've had my own share of experience. I've had my own share of insurance as well. Of insurance 419. But most of this 419 is because of what we've done wrong. Either we've taken it without realizing what we've taken, or we've just gone on Go Compare and we've just taken, the cheapest one.
And it's tricky because you get the cheapest one at the top, isn't it?
Exactly.
Usually what I do is I ignore the first 5 or first 3 or 4. Then I'm like, okay, let's talk. I ain't going for the cheap one.
You go for the cheap one, trust me. You are in for bad cheap. So yeah,
Question.
I shared my story and I sold insurance.
And in your dream.
I had custom. no, in real life.
In real life, you were thinking about it in your dream.
And then in real life, when it was time to do my presentation, I shared my story, and people, made sense of it.
My sister.
So next question, you cannot be full of. Next question: Who is most likely to get a weird tattoo?
Nah, I don't do pains.
None of us.
I've gone through enough pains in my life. Definitely not a pain of tattoo.
Nah, a tattoo. Nah.
Even hair piercing.
Yeah, so that one is not a question for us.
No.
We are too
back to send that question.
We are too posh for that weird tattoo.
No, for that pain.
For the pain. Next one. Who's most likely to adopt a stray dog?
Wrong question again. Doggy, long. I beg you. No.
I can't even withstand them.
No.
Even cats.
I was gonna say I'm allergic to cats anyway. No. Dog. Bye bye to whoever's got you. Not for me.
What's in it?
Wow.
You had half of the cup.
Yeah. When? This video we must watch.
We have to rewind it. But rewind it so that they can see.
What do you mean? I only had the zip.
You had a zip. You know how they sip. It's sip, not zip.
A sip.
Zip, okay.
What lost?
But
nah, I don't even want to.
It's
I'm actually full of. This is what she does. I try not to give you something here, especially for food. Well, food and makeup.
Fufuko.
Not for food. I asked her to give me. I think this fish and food have already.
I'm getting to you. The child takes Shaki, baby.
I don't want you.
You know you want it.
No,
don't let us show ourselves.
I tell her to give me something. I'll go to her house and she will be like, no, be free. And then the next video, share fair. When I wanted it, and that's why I use it against her as well. I'll be like, you better give me now because I know you're still gonna beg me. Like that, trying to force me to eat Shaki.
Last question.
Abodini. I haven't had abodini in a long time.
Mama, go on. Are you on the mama?
I'm actually full of.
You are full of it.
Excuse you. Can't you see mine there?
It's my mother. I did that. I do that.
Excuse me, what is this?
Fish.
You giving me fish? I don't want fish. This is other fish. I'm trying to
You want it?
be a Mangonian girl.
Next question.
Hey, no, you said the last question.
Okay,
before I start falling asleep.
Because
now.
you have finished food now, you want to go to the last question.
Ben, yeah. If you give me fish, I'm now.
Who's most likely to? If I give you fish, you do one more question. Better go away.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll finish the video by myself.
No.
Who's most likely to become bald-headed?
What do you mean? What? Excuse you? How am I supposed to be bald-headed?
Because you know I would say, you can shave anyway. Then follow me now.
Well, I have shaved my hair, but it doesn't mean I'm going to be bald. I am, I've got, actually it's you. What happened to your, whatever this is called?
Whatever.
My hair is still, I still have loads of hair. My hair is fuller, it's stronger. Yeah.
To full on the hair. Oh yeah, she finished it.
Finally. But let me, just a little bit. No, I need another one.
It's not cold. It's not in the fridge.
That's not fair.
I intentionally put this one in the fridge.
It's not that cold. Maybe we should do another one. Another mods. In the fridge.
Yeah, but it's
we'll
not
do another
mods mukbang.
Food, drink mods mukbang.
Yeah, just say nonsense.
I'm full up.
Okay, see better.
This is me when I'm full up. Nah, flat tummy. When you chop fish, you start acting like a fish.
It's because you're wearing the free dress.
That's what I knew I was coming for food. What do you expect?
Where's your scarf up?
I know. Don't disgrace my.
Our stomach is bigger than mine.
Don't disgrace my flat tummy.
Our stomach is bigger than mine. In case. How many today? Also, some people carry on. So, that's the end of the video.
That's the end of the video.
I finished the fish.
The fish and the bone.
You did not finish the fish. You wasted the fish.
This. What am I supposed to do with that?
It's alright. I will settle.
Anyway, my people,
I'll
thank
settle
you
the
for
boat.
watching. I hope you enjoyed our mukbang. It took me a while before I could pronounce this. Do you know why?
Mukbang.
Yeah, mukbang.
No, it's not bank.
That's because I like
Easy
money.
bank.
Mukbang. Whatever bang it is, it's muk, you know. Thanks for enjoying. Thanks for watching. If you think Ted you stole my fish, leave your comment below.
And if you think she finished the fish first,
Well, I didn't finish. No, I finished my fish. She took mine.
no, Grandma took some of mine.
We should do another one. We should
And
do
we're
a
supposed to
spicy
share.
noodles one. I'm sure you will just hand over to me.
You will be surprised. I like spicy food.
Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.
Yeah, I used to
Stay
like spicy
tuned
food.
for our
anyway.
next video.
Next one.
No, I'm not doing mukbang.
I want more mukbang video. Put in the comments.
I mean for mukbang as long as she doesn't cheat.
I don't
I
know.
love food.
Anyway, guys, see you later.
Thank you.
We will fight behind the scene.
We'll continue.
Bye.
You may not see that, but we might just post it later.
Hey, look, I'm doing. I don't know when they might come.
I'm your man. Wah, speak up, you come out of bed. Yeah, what if phone me? I'm on this topic. But I know because if you come on back, pa camera. You know for what? Now go phone me.
Yeah,
More fish left.
no. What we do?
Alhamdulillah.